Rivers are great modes of transportation for sediments, but also for us. They can take on many different shapes and sizes, but key is that water flows through them. This may seem obvious, but water has many properties, including its density and its ability to resist compression, that makes it such a fascinating and convenient medium. And the many ways that rivers can flow can dictate how different sediments then move and get deposited. Here we see shallow streams eroding sands from the ground. Because this stream is shallow and doesn't have a lot of energy, the sand grains aren't transported very far. Instead, many of them saltate for a few centimeters before they get deposited again. However, in streams or rivers with more energy, these same sand grains may get suspended in the turbulent waters. While larger stones remain at the bottom, the flow is strong enough to occasionally push or saltate some of these. The river can also increase its own sediment supply, meaning the amounts of sediments in it. Here, a small stream eats away at sandy banks. While these riverbanks are already wet and thus unstable, they offer us a speed-up version of everyday erosional processes. First, an instability develops. The ground then starts developing weaknesses. These weaknesses grow and develop into cracks that further the instability until a collapse. The sediments are then quickly washed along with the river, highlighting the efficiency of water as a mode of transportation. These small sand collapses are equivalent to great landslides that are, fortunately, much rarer. But both can increase the amount of sediments in the river that they enter into. In the end, this also shows the cycle of sediments. These sands were originally deposited here in this environment through the motion of water, and are now once again being eroded and brought back into movement by another stream.